Alright guys, so here we are once again. So it looks like it launched the application successfully. Environment health has been set to red. Not sure what that means, but okay, so it looks like health red. Okay, so it looks like we have the environment here running. So let's see what else do they want from us. Okay, so we did that. Running into an error with your environment, it can totally happen. Try double checking whether you've ticked off everything in the final review checklist. Okay, we didn't receive any errors. It's just red. I wonder why is it red. Shall we see our environment in action? Click the domain link on the environment dashboard. So let's go here. The domain link is showing you your updated HTML file. See what I'm talking about, guys? Refuse to connect. So that was the last part that we so I wonder if we could edit create whatever is complete but with error from information situation. So I wonder if it's just the, because remember guys how we compute, so remember how we zipped, first we zip the whole folder but then we zip just this. So maybe I'm just going to use this instead. So I'm wondering if there's a place here where we could just adjust that part. Change version. I'm tempted to just terminate it and restart it. I think I'm gonna do that, guys. So we're going to select this. We're gonna terminate that environment. All right, and we're going to just start over. Okay, we'll create here. Next up, we'll just work up. Okay. Then we have to. We don't even have to look at the steps now because we've done it so many times. So this is the part, right? Version local file. So what I want to add here instead is go here and do this. So we'll keep that the same. Yeah, we'll select this one, we'll select that one, so that looks good. BCP, we'll use the defaults. We're gonna activate it so it's publicly accessible. Okay. Yes, it was general purpose 3 with a 200 deactivated. Okay, great. DC, we were going to leave that. Okay, so that looks good. We're going to use basic. Yeah, we're gonna not uncheck that box, and everything else will stay the same. Okay. So let's cross our fingers, guys. It's been a long project day. I've uploaded 4 videos already, I believe, and there's 2 more I need to upload. This will be, so that would be how many, like 7, 8 videos. That's a lot, guys. Okay, so it looks like we haven't received any errors so far, but it is launching the environment. In the meantime, we can take a look at the next steps here. Okay, so this is the end of our project, right? I'm gonna put here days. So then there is also a secret mission where it says deploy an app update. All right, but this is like the paid a version of it, so it won't let us do it, but it's not a big deal. I think it's a great, I think the free version gives you like a really solid understanding of what we're trying to accomplish with the tools that are free. So you don't really have to do this, to be honest. You don't have to pay. It's a bit pricey, to be honest. 36 if you want certification, and then per month is $12. Feel free to use it if you like. And I'm going to talk about this next. All right. So okay, so it looks like we're waiting a few minutes. Okay, so let me talk about this in the meantime. So once you finish this project, please do not forget, we're going to terminate the environment, or else if you leave it running, it's going to charge you every month. All right, I don't want you guys to come back to me complaining about it. All right, and we'll do this together once we're able to deploy our application in Beanstalk. So let's go back. So it looks like it likes to take its sweet time. But in the meantime, let me answer this question. Deploying my custom image with Elastic Beanstalk took me days to complete because there were parts where I got stuck and needed to do some research. I think in total it was 2 days, right? So yeah. So we'll delete our resources, and then at the end, once we do all of that, okay, terminated, yes. So then we're up to drop that delete application files in S3. Did you say S3? When you uploaded code to Elastic Beanstalk, where do you think AWS would store your files? Yep, AWS would automatically create an S3 bucket. Oh, okay, look. And store your zip file there. Let's delete those so you don't have to incur any storage costs. Important. So it's still building it. Okay, looks like, okay, it looks great now. So it looks great. Okay, great. Let's go. We did it, guys. We did it. Let's go. That's exciting, guys. It's exciting when you put so much effort. Can you believe how much it's taken us to just run this whole thing? It's incredible. But this is good practice. Next time it's just gonna take, of course, a lot less. But I think it's clear how we went about this project. The other 2 projects, it took me about the same time, because I got stuck on different problems. But this is great, guys. So it looks like it's working. So congratulations if you made it this far. I hope you you got the same problems as me, and you watched this video to figure those out. So that's great. All right, so let's go ahead and delete those resources. And We're going to go back here to the main place. I will need to find out how to fix this right here. But let's just actually, before I do that, let me take this screenshot that I almost forgot. So okay, so let me take a quick screenshot here, and we'll do save as final. Okay guys, so that looks good. So let's go ahead and delete it now. We'll do actions, terminate. Yes, we want to. And then let's go ahead and find out how do we delete the S3 bucket that is that is saving, that's storing our zip file. So we're going to go to AWS Management Console, select buckets. Okay, we're looking for buckets. Okay, here, buckets. So this should be pretty straightforward, right? Okay, so yes, that's the one. So we'll hit delete. This bucket is not empty. Buckets must be empty before they can be deleted. Empty bucket. Return deletion, type permanently delete. Delete. Okay, yes, we don't want that. All right, so we've successfully deleted. All right, guys. This is the end of our project. This is great stuff, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. So let's just finish up here a few more things. What does it say? Container and container images. It doesn't cost any money to store containers in Docker, but it's best practice to remove resources that you won't need anymore. So let's get back here and let's get rid of all of these right here. All right, we don't need those anymore. Great. Get back to the terminal of your computer, and okay, so let's do that too. Let's do PowerShell here. We'll start as an admin. Yes, and let's run that command. Docker psae, and we have no containers running. Great. All right, so blah blah blah. Identify the running container. Well, there's nothing running anymore. We've deleted everything, everything. Now, next, we'll remove the container images too. So run Docker images. Okay, so that's the next step. We'll do Docker images. Okay, so remove the images using. Okay, so we'll do Docker remove image out. I'm sorry. My custom nginx. Okay. Intact. Okay, so we'll do the same, but we'll do the other my web app. I believe this was from the first project. I will delete that too, and then remove nginx, which was our template, right? Cool. Interesting. So now we just learned how to delete those images. This is great, guys. So what is Docker and how do you use it in today's project? Okay, so let's see if we learn, right? Docker is an application that allows you to containerized uh, software in an isolated environment where multiple multiple users can work on it regardless of the underlying environment they are on. Okay. Well, how do you use it in today's project? We so we created an application with Docker, right? Does that sound kind of vague? We created an application with Docker. How do you use it in today's project? Okay, I think that's good. What is one thing you didn't expect in this project? I did not expect to spend so much time on working on issues. I also did not expect to use AWS S3 for storage. That was interesting. It took me, I would say, how many hours, guys? Probably like 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours to complete. Why did you do this project today? I did this project today to learn more about AWS features that would allow us to deploy an application on their cloud servers with Elastic Beanstalk. Okay, did this project meet your goals? This project met my expectations, and I hope it met your expectations too. So I think this has been a great experience, guys. I'm really excited. This is not going to be the last project we work together. Again, this is a new experience for me too, doing this from scratch. It took me a couple of days to go through everything, but now I know how I should approach it next time. I hope you guys enjoyed. One thing I want to show you before I leave, right, is that you can actually download a PDF with all the documents, with all the stuff all the steps that we've done. So if you scroll all the way down and you go here to this part, it's supposed to be a button, right? So it looks like I'm missing a comment that I might have missed, perhaps here, because I did this on my own. So no, it looks like we're just missing some comments here. We didn't answer like a question perhaps. So let me go over it together with you, because I want to show you the end product, the end document here. I don't see that I missed, but I must have missed it because okay, so that looks So let's start over. Let's just go here. Looks good. That looks good. Okay. All right, that looks good, guys. That looks good. That looks good too. That looks good too. Task completed. Task completed. Um, task completed. What are we missing, guys? What are we missing? What did we miss? What did we miss? That was completed. Task completed. Task completed. Nope. Task completed. Task completed. Task completed. Task completed. They should add a feature that will take you automatically to that comment or a question that you didn't answer instead of us going through this whole thing. It doesn't seem like I missed anything. Quite strange. Uh, I didn't hit done here. All right, guys. No, I'm missing more. What am I missing, guys? I thought that was the only one. All right, I don't want to keep you guys here with me. I'll find out, but eventually you'll see here task complete, and I think I show you guys in a different video. You'll see this here, DevOps, right? You'll see something like this, and I think I showed you guys earlier too. Whenever when we were trying to find a solution for a problem, this is what it's going to look like. This is something that you can publish on your social media, to get more exposure. So again, I hope you guys enjoy. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.